Would you recommend that somebody dives into the market? Because there's that old adage of like, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market.
Yes.
Or would you say if you wait a month or 2 or 3, things maybe will flatten out a little?
I don't know that things are going to go down because we have a new gorilla at the table. Typically, the housing market has been very cyclical, right? And I study a lot of data. And interest rates, the Fed rate, all of this typically can adjust the market. And we see the Fed right now, it's raising rates, but you're still seeing offers. You're still seeing people buy.
Yeah.
Well, what's happening is there's this big gorilla at the table. It's called the secondary home buyer. Those are investors like BlackRock, private equity companies, OPENDOOR, OfferPad, these big Silicon Valley investors that have billions of dollars. They are now buying 20% of the inventory that's getting on the market.
Man.
So they're buying up so much, and that's not your average school teacher or fireman, right? This is a $1 billion company that has absolutely no interest or care if they are a little bit early or late in the market because they're not selling.
They're going to rent these houses out?
100%. They're hedging against inflation. Right? There's a lot of smart people in the world who've seen what we've been doing with our dollar, and we've been printing it. And that causes some crazy inflation. And with the pandemic and the supply chain problems that are out there right now, there's a premium on everything. Yeah. Everything is more expensive. And so what's happening is these guys are seeing inflation, and housing is one of those things that rises with inflation. So they're protecting against inflation because if they go put $5 billion in homes, and inflation's at 8%, well, they got inflation, then they get appreciation, then they get cash flow.
Yeah.
How do you lose?
Yeah.
The stock market isn't performing like that.
No.
So, again, to somebody who's looking at this and saying, I'm waiting, I'm going to wait it out, I think a crash is coming. I'm sorry, guys. Yes, we will lose some heat in the market, but you're not going to get a better deal. In fact, things are still going to go up. I'm predicting that we're going to still have 8 to 10% appreciation, even with interest rates rising.
No way.
So don't wait. Don't wait. You're witnessing right now the shift from America being homeowners to renters. This is the time where we're all going to look back at it and say, I wish there had been legislation stopping these big Silicon Valley investors from gobbling up 25% of American housing, which they're now renting back to us at a 30 or 40% hike.
Yeah.
Right? This is what's going on. Don't put yourself in that situation, guys. Get into the market. Get moving in it, because truly, if you don't do it now, in 5 years,